Hello, in this video I will give you a short explanation of bits and bytes, data types, variables and constants. So everything inside the computer is stored in binary, and binaries are just ones and zeros. 1 byte is 8-bit. Data is inside the computer a sequence of ones and zeros, and those sequences need to be interpreted. For example, one way to interpret 64, if we use binary, it will be number 64. If we use ASCII, it will be capital A, and also it can be red value of a pixel. And data type is to tell compiler how to interpret those sequence of ones and zeros. And variables are a value that can be changed. We declare a variable by putting a data type first so that the compiler knows how to interpret those ones and zeros and know how much memory to allocate. And constant is a value that cannot be changing during runtime. To declare a constant, we provide a keyword const, then we provide the data type of the constant, then we provide its name. In our game development, we will mostly use float type of numbers and integer int type of numbers. And also sometimes we can use for just example, we can use double types of numbers. So what is int? Int is integer, is numeric data type holding whole numbers. To declare it, we first write data type, name, and assign value. And this float is a floating point number or decimal point number. The range of number is smaller than a double type. Okay, here I declared int and float data types. So first I put data type, then I put the name, and then I assign the value. And the same thing with float numbers. And after that I just print it, and we can see. So int number 10 and float number is 10.5. Okay, that's all for this video, and next video I will show you how to get source and how to read documentation.